EyeWeb Safety, centralized, integrated, connected.
Automotive manufacturing moves fast. Workers handle parts, tools, machinery, chemicals, and inspection tasks every shift.
In this fast-paced environment, clear vision is essential for preventing costly mistakes. Workers need to quickly spot small defects, monitor moving parts, read warning labels, and recognize nearby hazards, helping them make safer decisions and stay alert throughout every shift.
The risk increases when safety eyewear does not fit the work. Glasses can fog, slip, scratch, or feel uncomfortable during long production shifts. When workers remove eyewear, even for a few moments, protection breaks down. That small gap can lead to eye injuries, quality issues, and missed hazards.
Automotive teams need safety eyewear built for real production conditions, with impact protection, clear lenses, comfortable fit, and prescription options when needed.
A smarter safety eyewear program helps safety managers track approved eyewear across teams and locations. It also supports faster replacements and better compliance on the floor. When workers remove eyewear, even for a few moments, protection breaks down. That small gap can lead to eye injuries, quality issues. Clear vision helps workers inspect better, move safer, and stay protected through every shift.
Protecting vision, empowering workers. Learn more at EyeWebSafety.com.